Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to twist your hair by yourself or how to also twist for others. So this is very straightforward. There's no side tutorial. It's just a very straightforward tutorial. You can rewatch it if you do not understand very well, or you can let me know in the comments so that I'll make a more detailed video if this is not very detailed for you. Probably I'll use someone else's hair to demonstrate, but this is me just basically using my hair. If you are seeing my video for the first time, my name is Didi and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So please sit back and watch. So the first thing I did was to first part my hair, and like I always say, I divide my hair into two, then divide one part again into two, as you can see me doing that. And then I first of all braid. I braid about 4 5 times, just basically as a spirit leads. Okay, so you can decide to braid twice or 3 or 4 times. My hair is super curled and defined, and if I don't properly hold the tip of the or the root of the hair, it ends up losing at the end of the day. So now remember, I divided the hair into two parts, then the second part into two. Now that shows that there are two smaller ones compared to one, so I joined both of the smaller ones like I just did, and then twist all of them together. Now this twist pattern I'm doing, I love to do it at the edge of my hair because it is easier for me to take down. It is looser compared to the other tight twist which I'm going to show in the next part. Again, this particular twist pattern is very easy and it is looser. If you want a looser twist pattern, you can do it the way I am currently doing. Now, again, you divide the hair into two, divide the second one into two. Okay, some people divide their parted hair into three, but I prefer dividing it into two and then dividing one of those two into two again. That way, the hair is balanced on both sides, but then two of those divided ones are smaller, so that you can join the two small ones back together and just twist. That way when you want to take down your hair, it is very easy. Trust me, I've done the other method and this is easier. As you can see what I'm doing, I am just braiding, and then the two small sections, that is one by the left, and then I'm going to add the other one together. As you can see, the two smaller ones are those ones there, and then I've twisted it together. So there is no need for you to cut any small hair from one corner and cut another hair from another corner, just so that the whole thing can be balanced. For someone like me that love doing twist out, if I try to do that particular method at the end of the day, when I try to do my twist out, the twist just looks really scattered and it doesn't really like come out the way I really want it to come out. So in order for your twist to be properly done and to look neat, the body, and for your twist out to come out good, it starts from how you actually twist your hair. Later on in the video, I will show you what I mean by not parting your hair equally and having to cut from another side to twist the hair. It's just too dramatic and really unnecessary. Anyways, again, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Didi. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe. Here on this channel, we talk about everything natural hair and natural hairstyles tutorial like what you are currently watching. So if you have any questions or requests for any video, you can ask me in the comments, and be rest assured that whenever I see it, I will respond to you as soon as possible. Now I am done with this particular section, and I'm going to show you a more detailed video on how this will go. So here we go. Here, as you can see, again, I'm parting my hair into two. We have two sides. Now we have the left and the right. The left part, I divided it into two, and as you can see, when I parted the two, it wasn't equal. The right was even smaller than the left part. So after dividing the hair into two, the left one, you would notice that the three sections that we currently have for the braid are all equal. So at this point, when it is time for me to twist, I can't just twist all of them together. I would have to borrow like another hair from one of the three to make one bigger than the other to twist, if that is making any sense to you. You're going to see where the mistake came from. Now I'm done braiding the hair and it's time to twist. And as you can see, I had to divide the third one into two to make sure the left and the right side was equal. Now, this is what I'm saying. In order for you not to go through this kind of stress, just make sure you divide the hair into two and is equal. Now, this is a better version of what I'm talking about. I divided the hair into two equal parts, and then I parted the left side into two. As you can see, the hairs at that side is smaller than the one that was at the right. And then I'm just going to braid this briefly. After braiding this briefly, I'm just going to go ahead to twist. Now, when twisting, like I said, the other twist I did, the first one is different from the one I usually do here. And this last one, I did the first kind of twist because this is the middle part of my hair. And it is kind of just harder to twist this section of your hair because of where your hand will get to. So as you can see, this was the twist pattern I did the first time. And it's not really like, it does not end up giving this rope vibe like the other ones. If you want to see the direction at which I twisted to, you can rewatch the video, or I'll make a more detailed video again. Here I was just teaching you how you can part your hair and how to get a balanced ratio of your twist. That way your twist will this way your twist will not unravel and your twist is going to be really balanced and easy to play around with your twist out when your hair is old. So thank you so much for sticking around. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know in the comments if you have any question or if you'd like me to make any other video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. Love you.